Hey family, I'm out here. I'm going to show you the beginnings of my garden. Turn you around. See these two? There's some more flowers coming up. I planted these. Oops. And perennial flowers. It wasn't last year. It was fall of 22. Because last year was the first year they came up. Today is February 23rd. We had some snow last Friday. And it rained a couple days ago. Snow was all gone. The flowers and said, "Hey, how are you?" This is in my backyard. Goes all the way down the length of the patio. Lawn. Stuck in. And then over here on the side, it's no mini split system. We had some mint here. It's kind of dried up, but it's still coming back. There's the new growth coming there. Spread it creep as mint will do. And then I planted some garlic back here. 3 of them have popped up. Take you around to the main part of the garden, which is on the other side. Here, I tried to grow a sunflower last year, but critter came along, ate it, but I just chopped it down to see if it would come back. Okay. I have 8 of these keps. Last year I filled them with wood and hay. This right here was a coleus. I don't know if it's going to come back or not. This is how I close my garden out. Is I cover it with cardboard, which that decomposes over the winter and fall, and I cover it with hay. Header strawberries, the Juneberry strawberries. Covered them with hay. This little area here, it was our sunflower patch, and that's what we're going to have again here. And then to the side here, I'm going to dig this up a little bit, and I ordered 25 strawberry bare roots. They're coming when it's almost time to plant. I ordered that from Gurney's. This right here, again, this is the strawberry bed, and it's full of strawberries. It only had 8 strawberry plants in there last year, and it spread like crazy. And this is my main garden, and I'll add pics from last year. But here in the front here, this front section, I had zinnias. And in the back, I was growing a little bit of everything. There was the tomatoes over here. I have some Easter lily. There's 2 of them here. I got them free at Kroger a couple years ago, and they came back. They didn't do well inside, but they did better inside. I'm sorry. They didn't do well inside. They did better outside. See if they'll come back for the second year. There's some garlic over there. There's another garlic. I think I got a couple more coming up. Yeah, there's one there. One there. and then over there. So this back area, I'm going to make it a watermelon patch. I want to grow some watermelon. And I'll do a follow-up video showing you my seed haul that I've ordered from different companies. Here I have some white columbine that comes back every year. I planted that in memory of my Great Pyrenees. He lived to be 14 years and, 3 months old before we had to put him down. Back there is some more mint. I don't know if it's going to come back or not. And then I have, 1, 2, 3, 6 circular containers, and then 2 of these galvanized containers. Don't know what I'm going to put in each of these yet. I know some of the majority of them I'm going to put tomatoes. Because I'm not going to have tomatoes in that area I showed you where they were last year. I'm going to have in these containers. My sister loves the cherry tomatoes. And this is easier to get to when we have them in these containers. I will say this container here, I have grown, and it gets really tall and lush and it fills it out, basil. So I'm probably going to definitely put basil back in that one because it does well there. The rest, again, I don't know how many I'm going to have for tomatoes. This is remnants of some peppers I had last year. I don't know if they'll come back or not because I kept this all outside. You know, sometimes with your peppers, if you bring them inside, cut them down and bring them inside, they'll come back. So I don't know if that will or not. We'll have to see. These are my children. Comes Bogo, the black German Shepherd mix. The Husky is Storm. And then the brown Pity mix is Redbone. Bogo and I are going to go in now. And we'll show you what we've got in here. This is my 24 pod Aero Garden. It's the Farm Extra Large, 24 Extra Large Aero Garden. And I'm going to do a lot of seed starting in there when I set it up. I have calculated I'm going to start it up on March 18th, just a few weeks away. This plant I bought on clearance from Walmart in 22. So it's done really well. I need to deadhead it though, as you can see. This I got on clearance from Sam's Club. And then everything else that's coming in are these little bulbs I got on clearance. Well, okay, let me go back. This I got on clearance from Sam's Club in 22. These other ones that are coming up, I forgot what they are. I'm bad, I should have labeled them. I got them on clearance last year in 23 because I thought this had died off. Because the last one I had died and there was nothing coming up. So I was like, well, dog, it's dead. And it was too cold outside and the ground was too hard. I waited too late to plant the bulbs for all of these that are coming in. And now look at them, they're going crazy and it's getting crowded. And I'm going to have to probably try to transplant some outside. I don't know how that's going to work or not. Okay. I got these Aero Garden on clearance at Sam's Club about a month ago. I have another one of these inside that I bought at Amazon years ago. And that's how I start my tomatoes and a lot of the herbs that I grow. This is a bigger one of those. It's not an elephant ear, but that's what it looks like that I got on clearance 2 years ago from Sam's. Poinsettia that has seen better days. Now this bad boy, I'm going to take a step back so you can see just how big it is. This is my money tree. Bought it online at Amazon and it has just grown crazy. Just transferred it out here in the lodge. When I bought it, it was about this tall. Now you see it's over those wooden sticks. And this plant I got on clearance at Sam's, not Sam's. And this plant I got on clearance at Walmart in 22 and it's done really well. This is my grow light. Got that on sale. It's Amazon. This grow light hadn't come on yet, but it will in a few minutes. But that's it thus far. Again, I will do a follow-up video with my seed haul because I've been kind of collecting and putting them right here, a little bit of them anyway. There's not all of them. Believe you me, that's not all. Because I can tell you, this box and this box that has seeds in it. And here's more of my seeds. And then I have 2 containers, plastic containers full of seeds too, that I gotta go through. And then, see, I keep going. This has a lot of my Aero Garden pod kits in there as well. But again, that'll be a follow-up video. So that's it, family. Thanks for going on a quick walkthrough of my garden with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And leave a nice comment. See, that other grow light has turned on. And I'll see you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, family.